a lovely billionaire wakes up one morning, looks at his mind-blowing fortune and says, you know what, I'll just pay for everyone's healthcare this year. And while I'm at it, I'll also pay for a few schools. Yeah, so why billionaires should pay tax when they can sprinkle charity money like confetti at a wedding? Before we start, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Human Egg channel for more content like this. Here's the thing. Philanthropy sounds like a nice alternative to taxation. It feels warmer, kinder, rich people giving back, shiny galas, very big checks with way too many zeros. But the question is, can it replace wealth tax? Let's open up a few problems. Governments raise taxes like trillions in a year. Yeah, trillion with a T. The biggest philanthropists like Bill Gates, Warren Buffett, and McKinsey Scott yearly donate billions of dollars as philanthropy. But actually, they decide what, who, and when they want to help. I mean, they decide who exactly they want to help, and yeah, they don't want their legacy to be like trash pickup. Taxes are supposed to be democratic, at least. You pay, I pay, we should all get a say. But with philanthropy, it's just one rich person deciding what really matters. Want to cure malaria? Great! Want to fund research about immorality in billionaires? Also possible. Notice something missing, like normal people having a say? Taxes redistribute wealth. Rich people pay more, poor people pay less, everyone benefits from public goods. But that's not possible with philanthropy. It can even keep inequality in place. Because when billionaires get to decide what's best for society, their power stays stable. It's like letting the fox design the chicken coop, but with more TED Talks. Taxes keep flowing every year. They are a sustainable source for income. But philanthropy depends on what each billionaire feels like generous or bored. Imagine funding your schools are based on Elon Musk's mood on X. Yeah, no, thanks, sorry. Let's be honest. Sometimes philanthropy is not about actually helping poor people. It's about fixing the image. You donate some billions, you slap your name on a building, and suddenly you're not the guy who underpaid workers. You're a visionary philanthropist. Taxes don't give you that kind of blow up. I mean, nobody ever says, I paid my income tax on time this year, look at me. But taxes help people just as that much, if not more. Philanthropy can be scattered. It depends on what billionaires think it's cool. Some problems get a lot of money while others get ignored. Like HIV might get billions of dollars each year, but fixing potholes, zero. Can you imagine fixing your roads depends on Bill Gates' interest in asphalt? Potholes forever! So, can philanthropy replace taxation? Nope. It can fund innovation or it can complement taxes, but they cannot replace it. Taxes are how we build society. Philanthropy is actually how rich people want to fix their image, or, okay, sometimes genuinely help. But if we rely on philanthropy instead of fair taxation, society becomes like a Netflix show produced by some weirdo producer. Unpredictable, uneven, and very, very biased. So pay your taxes, folks, and billionaires, you know what? You can just keep that image and that big checks and photo ops. Just don't act like you are the godfather of the game. And that's it for today's big question. Can philanthropy replace taxation? Spoiler alert, nope. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like our video and subscribe to the Human Egg YouTube channel. And if you got some spicy opinions about billionaires, drop a comment below. Bye for now!